Humans have been on the Earth for millions of years. However, our Mother Earth, giving the survival of human beings, now is facing serious environmental crisis. With the development of petrochemical industry, it has brought terrible greenhouse effect, and even worse, the discard of its derivative products has caused more severe white pollution. Since the 1970s, the voice of saving Mother Earth has gradually risen. Therefore, mankind has to reduce the damage to the environment, save energy and reduce carbon, and consume in a green manner to benefit our descendants. The global trend of environmental protection has created infinite opportunities for environmental business. The bio-based biodegradable plastics, polylactic acid (PLA) has emerged, which derive from non-transgenic, bio-based plant resources. It is a new generation eco-friendly biodegradable plastic that can be degraded by the microorganisms and enzymes in the soil. SUPLA, originating from Suqian, roots in China and faces the world, is a major Taiwanese investment project in the Taiwanese Fund Cluster sponsored by China Development Zone of Suqian. The total investment of the project is about 3.35 billion yuan, covering an area of about 450 mu. It is a high-tech, innovative company integrating the R&D, production, and sales of the bio-based degradable material PLA. Its annual capacity will reach 160,000 tons in 10 years. After the completion of the project, SUPLA will become the largest production base of PLA products in the whole country and even the world. The construction of the project is divided into 3 phases, wherein 1.22 billion yuan was invested for the first phase, covering an area of about 150 mu. It has completed the construction of 9 factory buildings, office building, R&D center, staff quarters, and other infrastructure facilities, as well as 30 sets of all imported international class laboratory equipment, all of which has been put into use. After the project is put into production, the annual capacity will be 40,000 tons of modified PLA and 10,000 tons of PLA with high optical purity, realizing 40 million yuan and revenue of 100 million yuan. Adopting the European high-tech production technology and advanced production equipment, combining with a variety of modified technologies developed in-house, SUPLA greatly improves the heat resistance of products. The heat resistance temperature exceeds 150 degrees centigrade, and the optical purity can be up to 99.7%, ranking the leading level in the world. SUPLA owns 23 patents and 13 utility model patents at present. Meanwhile, the R&D team consists of dozens of talents with doctorate and master's degree, establishing a leading testing laboratory with world-class facilities. SUPLA uses non-transgenic bio-based plant resources through a special modification process to develop the non-petroleum bio-based modified PLA with physical properties similar to petrochemical plastics. It can replace the petrochemical plastic materials in the market, as it is non-toxic, natural, and eco-friendly. Under the guidance of brand strategy of embracing everyday life with eco-friendly materials, SUPLA brings green material products to the various industries and aspects of the social life. SUPLA products not only apply to the manufacture process of all types of products, but also, with its advanced technology, allow the materials with antibacterial and antioxidant properties. We are looking for the naturality and non-toxicity of the products even more than excellent properties of raw materials. Caring for people, we strive for the goal to produce high-quality raw materials that every age can feel at ease to use. As a high-tech, innovative company integrating R&D, production, and sales, SUPLA tries to benefit the world in its success and undertakes an important social responsibility. With its facilities, it can cover from industrial to civilian, from medical equipment to personal protection, and from modern urban construction to family life necessities. Moreover, its environmental innovation will benefit more than 65% of the population of the world, which is the meticulous care of innovation brought by SUPLA. Now, SUPLA has diverse product lines with its wide product coverage, stable and durable quality. It involves 8 grades of materials including injection, extrusion, film, fiber, injection blowing, extrusion blowing, 3D filament, and foaming. And the most professional grades of SUPLA are injection, extrusion, film blowing, and fiber grade. SUPLA PLA granule has 6 comprehensive advantages. The optical purity of PLA can reach 99.7% or above. The tensile strength is perfect, with stress rupture value up to 85 megapascals. The elongation is relatively high, with fracture strain value up to 400%. The impact strength is excellent, with impact fracture value up to 990 joules per meter. And the heat resistance is high, with maximum thermal deformation temperature at 150 degrees centigrade. Being a halogen-free material, it can meet the requirement of UL 94 V0 inflaming retarding, and its smoke density is extremely low. SUPLA, as a diversified company engaged in multiple market fields, continuously exceeds people's imagination, possesses a number of technologies developed in-house. And it has 36 independently invented patents, presenting endless possibilities to make innovation everywhere. The research development of SUPLA is internationally renowned. In 2010, SUPLA participated in the global largest plastics exhibition and successfully attracted international attention, and it was specially reported by a famous bioplastic magazine. In 2013, SUPLA 155, developed in-house, won the second prize at the 8th European Bioplastics Conference, while in 2014, it ranked in the top 5 of the 9th European Bioplastics Conference, becoming the only one company which has won prize in European Bioplastics Award for 2 consecutive years. SUPLA cares for its employees and creates a full range of high-quality working environment as well as generous benefits. Moreover, with the broad mind of being concerned for the world, brave for innovation, environmentally friendly to start business, beneficial to mankind, it helps the global environmental protection by promoting new technology, so as to leave a pure land for descendants in the future. SUPLA stands out as a rising star on the bio-based materials market and takes a broad view of the development in domestic and international market with its bio-based technologies developed in-house, coupled with strong domestic support policies for the environmental protection industry. SUPLA's own development is connected with the great undertaking of environmental protection, and we firmly believe that the company's future will certainly be more brilliant.